Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the nation on Tuesday ahead of Unlock 2. Prime Minister said that the people are getting careless since the Unlock 1 began. As the COVID-19 graph is escalating fast and steep, people expected Prime Minister to announce some major measures to control the spread of the pandemic.
हम ये भी देख रहे हैं कि जब से देश में अनलॉक 1 हुआ है, व्यक्तिगत और सामाजिक व्यवहार में लापरवाही जरा बढ़ती ही चली जा रही है।
Prime Minister said that he has noticed a rise in carelessness by the people in following the COVID-19 prevention measures, and according to the Prime Minister, this has been one of the biggest reasons for the spiking number of positive cases.
पहले हम बहुत सतर्क थे, लेकिन आज जब हमें ज्यादा सतर्कता की जरूरत है, तो लापरवाही बढ़ना बहुत ही चिंता का कारण है।
Prime Minister also cited examples where bigwigs were being fined for not wearing masks in different countries. This instance can be taken as a warning from the Prime Minister.
एक देश के प्रधानमंत्री पर 13,000 रुपये का जुर्माना इसलिए लग गया क्योंकि वो सार्वजनिक स्थल पर मास्क पहने बिना गए। भारत में भी स्थानीय प्रशासन को इसी चुस्ती से काम करना चाहिए।
Prime Minister emphasized on the package his government has spent for the free disbursal of 5 kg ration to 80 crore people for 3 months.
कोरोना से लड़ते हुए भारत में 80 करोड़ से ज्यादा लोगों को 3 महीने का राशन, यानी परिवार के हर सदस्य को 5 किलो गेहूं या चावल मुफ्त दिया गया। इसके अतिरिक्त प्रति परिवार हर महीने 1 किलो दाल भी मुफ्त दी गई।
Indian economy has gone into shambles due to the failed lockdown, but instead of accepting it, Prime Minister took the credit for the decision, saying that it averted danger for India. The Prime Minister listed the amount his government had spent for the poor. He said government spent 31,000 crore rupees under Jan Dhan Yojana. Prime Minister announced the extension of Pradhan Mantri Garib Anna Yojana till November, under which poor people will get 5 kg food grains free till November. Prime Minister said that his government will be spending a total of 1.5 lakh crore for the same. Prime Minister said the government is working on One Nation, One Ration Card scheme and is committed to increase the economic activity soon, but gave no details on the strategy and planning.
पूरे भारत के लिए एक राशन कार्ड की व्यवस्था भी हो रही है, यानी एक राष्ट्र एक राशन कार्ड, वन नेशन वन राशन कार्ड। इसका सबसे बड़ा लाभ।
Prime Minister skipped the issues of national security pandemic control strategy while made most of his focus on self-applause. Once again, the Prime Minister made it clear that the people have to protect themselves and blamed the people in a way for being careless.